everybody, so this is a new video. On this one I'm going to show you how to remove your wing mirrors, your door handles and also your interior door card. Very simple, very straightforward, but I thought you guys might want to see just how it's done, and you never might know, you might want to change the style of your mirrors. You might want to wrap your door handles like I did, or wrap your mirrors, or spray your mirrors, or hydro dip your mirrors, or you might want to do something on the interior with your electronics. So here it is. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to remove your wing mirror. A lot of you probably want to know this, so that's why I'm going to show you. So it's quite simple really. T20 screwdriver piece. Remove this on your door card. Remove the one just there. Also, you'll have a black cover over this one, just here. Just pop that off, and there's one under there. Take off your door part on this side. If you're not sure how to do that, look at my other videos. Push this up for your windows. Just let that hang out, and you can see there's one there and another sneaky little one just in there. You can just about see it, just there. So yeah, then you just pull your door card forward. Okay, so on inside of your door card you've got this locking mechanism. You literally just pull that up like so, push this lip up, pull that out, unhook that, and your door card's free. Make sure your window's down before you close your door. If you ever need to open your car door, you can just pull this little cable just here and it'll open for you. So now to remove the mirror. Okay, so to remove this you can either use the appropriate T-piece, or you can use a 5.5mm Allen key, which will also do the job. Okay, so this is what it looks like after. This one here is to your mirror. This is what provides it with, so you can move it and such. You pull this little tab up here and pull it straight out, and then feed it back through, and then your wing mirror comes off. I can't do it with one handed, so I'm going to put it back over the other side and let you see it from there. So to put your mirror back on, it's basically straightforward. You literally just reverse the process. So you feed the wire through. I'm not going to show you because it is really honestly easy. You literally just feed the wire through and feed it back on the inside. Make sure everything's back where it should be, and then you literally just push it straight down with a bit of pressure. That is it. To get it off, you literally pull it up. Don't be afraid of snapping it. That's how they come off. That's how they're made to come off. So yeah. So what I'm going to do now, show you how to quickly take that off, because I'm not sure if I've shown you. There's this little bit here. Pull this cap off. T20 screwdriver again in there. Turn it. This pops out. Pull that out, and then your door handle pulls straight towards you.